Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. Hello everyone, hello allemaal, ik heet Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. So, we continue that we learned yesterday, and Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you enjoy the Christmas, right? Okay, so in the theme 3 learning C, so it is like before, same, but the difference is we use the replace method to replace some words. So the keyword is like we using same splitless, and then we change the word maybe like the dog and then the cat. Okay, let's try to read the questions first. You can use the replace method to replace any word in a string with a different word. Here's the quick example showing how to replace dog with a cat in a sentence. Like the message is I really like dogs, and then you can change besides dot replace because this is like the method here, and then yes, we can know that the message changes from the I really like dogs and then I really like cat. Wow. And then we have like learning Python exe from yesterday. I have this, and then I wanna change this the word Python with the name of another language such as C. I don't wanna see because maybe it's cool, but first is cool. Okay. See, parent and is modified line to the same group. Okay, let's try. Okay, it is the first thing is from import the module from mathlib. I always using mathlib. Why what mathlib? Mathlib from mathlib import path. This and then you can make a variable that's the main path to know where's your path, because your path is like learning Python. This is much in same directory for your for here 10 learning.cpy. This in same directory. If you are not in the same directory, you must add slash to know that Python can read the directory for your path. So yeah, I think it is the same like how to Linux, the path in Linux works, I think. And then second one is contents. It seems that you will read text, right? Because we have like a liner, because this is just only to read text here. Okay, then lines is to make split every word, right? Content from the content here, and then the split mass here, and then this same for line in lines. Every word, I mean the print not print line. Okay, I want to change here because line dot replace here the method here Python 2G. Is it true? Oh yeah, this is the replace like this. Okay, and then print a line too, because line is it working? Let's try. Python 3.10.2. Nay, it's not working. Wait a minute. Control S. Control S. No such file directory. Learning Python Oh, I'm sorry, .py. .xt, not py. Oh yes, it's working. So yeah, it's done here because this line. Okay. I forget because this is not pay. I will say that pay, but this is txt. So this is just add to as usual. Let's change. Yeah. What do you mean? Module replacement. Okay. No. Okay. Let's try another questions. Bye.